which happened in game 1. As Newsom unloads and drops it. Newsom at 12 points also in game 6 to his front court. Pops from the left, drops it.
Get to the basket.
Banchero dribbles through a maze. That floater can't work. Follow-up will. At every opportunity. Inside to Marcelo. Clipped by Cliff Hodge. He loses control. It's in the hands of Newsom. Finds an angle. Is clipped in the air by... Sila na naman, no? Great run of the fast break by Meralco.
Were able to help out itong Meralco and come alive, especially in that second half.
Came from the intrams of the NLEX company. Turnaround shot. It won't work. Came from the 3-on-3. Bollig is trying to be a little more prudent here today. Miranda finally gets one to 4:25 to play. Bollig attacks and scores on the drive.
Umamit siya ng screen, and that time it was Bates. Bates did not have a chance. Alam mo, madami
para siyang the Flintstones. Whoa! Yung iba daw na ibenta na niya. Look at this.
Puntos niya in today's ball game. So far, able to deliver.
Nako, plakda si Semerad, sumabit siya kay Newsom. Walang tumulong kay Anton. Mukhang kaya naman niya itag. What are you doing? Everybody officiating in this sequence,
yeah. Needs to... nagre-reklamo siya na bakit siya yung natawagan ng foul. I think the foul was on Semerad.
He was
diba? Papagayin niya dapat
He was in motion eh.
Yan ang titignan din ng mga referees. Diba?
Mahutak din. Lalayo ako. Bakit ako makikipagsapalaran dito? TNT si Jewel Porterada.